Okay, look at the stocks. So with the FTSE still sitting up here, the 80 EMA is down here. So we have one bull flag, break up. Is this another one? Well, the lows are getting bought. So as long as we can close above there today, I think we're heading for 68.81 area. Got UK jobs out in 20 minutes. So I suggested a look at the mining stocks. I'm in Fresnillo. We're coming right into resistance with a bit of a spinning top underneath that 50 EMA. So I'm going to get a stop under 740, 748, sorry, and see if that works. But the other ones, other metal stocks, I liked AQP. That's closing up. Lovely hammer on this 37.36, low RSI, divergent RSI, that's pushing up, that's a nice cheapie, and they're all looking pretty good. Gem Diamonds has gone on a run, nice 52 EMA cross, hitting resistance, so seeing some selling on that one as we hit resistance. But Hochschild was another one I looked at, and that looks good. Nice move out of this box. So if you get a pullback to 144 on that one, that is a good place to buy. Retail sales, and this WH Smiths is indestructible. I give up looking for shorts on this one at the moment. See how that closes, but I thought that would the pullbacks to this trend line are bought, and that's just higher. If you had, even if you'd shorted Debenhams under 85, you would still be in profit. That's closed the gap. See how that one fares, but it's not looking great. So that's Carphone Warehouse. Let us look at the main stocks I'm interested in. eShore, lovely one. It just refuses to pull back at the moment. Been talking about that one for a long time. Tate is flailing under that trend line and could revert back to the short trend. And Man Group EMG is just sitting here under the trend line between the 50 and the 200. I'm watching this. I still think this will get bought, and I still think this will pop up. So I am a buyer of this one. Traded this into resistance. I'm now looking to see if this can hold to buy back in. I like EMG a lot. And let's go through my main list now. Right, US, I've got to add to my list BGCP. Come on. I'm looking to see if I can buy a pullback to this one at 631. If I can't buy a pullback at 631, then I will leave it. Scan back from that. I know we've hit major resistance. That's a lovely chart. You can that all that buying on that channel, and then we just got a long squeeze. So I would try a pullback on that if I get it. The other one I like to add to the list is SAFM. Sanderson Farms, same setup. So if I can get 74 bucks 35, I would buy into it. We've actually closed way above that. We may only get 75.50, so I'm going to hold out for a cheeky. I'm going to go slightly higher. I'm going to look for 74.35. If I don't get it, then I will stand aside. And let's look at. So we've got results coming up for these. So yeah, it's really, that's a nasty chart actually. It's getting, I don't like untidy charts, and that Microsoft is reporting tomorrow, so be wary of that. Let's look at eBay. eBay is holding up well. I like the way this hammer's held, and all the pullbacks are getting bought. Potash, I am still waiting to see what that one's going to land. I like a lower price. I'd love a retest of that box, but 32.76 is where I think that will arrive. So I want to trade that one again. And well, we're getting close to data, so I must hurry. PA. Electronic Arts, that's a nice one. Getting trapped up there, a bit of a reversal bar, so that might just drag that down to that 30. I'm not in this at the moment, but I would still hold out for a pullback to 23.63. Let's look at the gold miners. Gold Corp doing well. I'm just filled. I'm at 22.72 in GG, so holding on to GG and HMY. Got a bit messy down there. Let me just clean that up. Yeah, I'm filled on that one at 22.76. These blue levels are my entry levels. Actually, no, let me check on that one. My entry level is, yeah, I held out for 270. Sorry, I've held this dotted line here is my entry level. I held out for 270 according to my notes. I'll check on my account. FCX. No. Stand aside. That is nasty. That was a watch. Okay, look at some UK stuff. Now I have to run. Yeah, I had that as a short at 359. Filled and currently in some profit on that one. So that's a wiggle setup. So this 359 was support. They broke it down, so the resistance is 359, and that is currently selling. I think it could be an M pattern. Get a nice lower close today, and that's an M pattern in the making. I had that as a buy at 110. So I'm filled at 110, currently 119 on that, and I'll leave it there. But so I've got a mix of longs and shorts here, and I will update you on those as we go. But overall, I'm still bullish, but the markets are shaky as we come into the back end of January, and like I said, it's the busiest week for the Q4 reporting in the US. Okay, so I hope that helps, and feedback is welcome. See you for now.